OFM Sport.
It's probably going to be the most physical of the three games that you guys have faced. So how important is that to get this physical one in before you guys take that bit of a break that you mentioned before the Currie Cup?
Yeah, Morgs. Look, I'm always worried about injuries before we hit the Currie Cup, but I mean, it will be a good challenge. I think last year we saw what they can do. They were a little tough, so it will be good for us. It will be good. It will be a good test for our squad as well to see if we have grown. And then, yeah, it's going to be tough.
And two players getting their 50th caps this weekend with Muna and Marco. Two guys that have really flown under the radar at the Cheetahs. Muna probably because he's had injuries so often, and Marco has always been the bench rider, the guy being a backup. But it's great for them to be able to achieve a milestone like this here at the Cheetahs.
Yeah, I think for us it's massive, especially those two guys. I think off the pitch, they character-wise, that's the type of guys we're looking for at the Cheetahs. They're a brilliant example for, especially Marco, for not play. If you're not playing, he still does his best to prepare the guys that's playing. And then Muna, I always think he's the better brother. So it's just injuries have kept him off the pitch the last couple of last year and a half. So to have him back on the pitch and all of that, it's massive for us.
But we actually saw that impact that Muna also did bring on when he came onto the field. It just seemed like there was immediate shift in energy in the backline when he was on the park the other night.
Yeah, look, like I said, I think he's the better brother. So and look, his understanding of the game and how everyone wants to play on attack and then defense as well. He works really hard on defense and his work rate is good. So for us, it's massive having him on the pitch, and the other thing is managing him well as well as we can in the next couple of months as well.
Niels, and then Ramon starting again. He started the other night, and I remember a couple of weeks ago, still asked about Pierre and how his progress is doing. Still said to Chucky, it must be great not having Pierre in training because the body's getting a bit of a break, and then he chirped that Ramon's there, which is actually worse. But it's great to have that kind of player. Because if you look at Ramon, he's such an unassuming player, and to be so physical and give 150% must be fantastic for you guys.
No, that's like Frans mentioned now before. That's the type of guys I personally feel we need here at the Union, at the Cheetahs. He doesn't talk a lot. He does his job, and he gets the best out of himself, and he makes the rest of the group better. So it's nice to play, really nice to play with a guy like that on the field, because he's going to give his all, his 100%. So with Ramon and Pierre, you know what you're going to get. So it's nice to have them on your side.
And Black Lion, as mentioned just now, they're physical. But that pack of these, really good at the set piece. They know how to disrupt the set piece, scrum and contest well. So that's a proper challenge for you guys, which is going to be needed going late into the full season.
Yeah, no, definitely. I think we all know the Georgians, they are physical. So we know we are expecting physicality, and obviously set piece wise, that's also going to be a challenge for us. But we pride ourselves on our set piece as well, obviously. So yeah, it's going to be a fun and nice challenge, and obviously for the season ahead. Yeah.
And like a strong bench name for this match, if a person looks at those names there, with Duxie, Daniel, a really, really proper bench for this game.
Yeah, there's a lot of experience on the bench, and obviously guys that's going to bring some energy, work rate off the bench. So hopefully the guys that starts lays the platform so that guys, whenever the coaches put them on, we can give them a proper chance to have an impact on the game. Yeah.